Hello dear students, in this video we are going to study banking schemes for agriculture finance, that is DIR, Differential Rate of Interest Scheme. Myself Professor Vaishali Bharat Gholap. Differential Rate of Interest Scheme. On the recommendation of RBI committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.K. Hazare, the Minister of Finance and Government of India instructed all the public sector commercial banks to introduce differential rate of interest scheme. All commercial banks under the public sector implemented DIR scheme since 1975, and private sector bank also volunteers to participate in the scheme from 1977 onwards. The main objective of DIR scheme, that is differential rate of interest scheme, is to assist poorest person and bringing them above the poverty line. The scheme was originally implemented at the selected branches in 265 backward districts of the country, and later on this scheme was extended all over the part of the country. Under the DIR scheme, loans are being extended to the weaker section of the society who do not possess tangible assets to put as a security at a concessional rate of interest, that is 4% per annum in simple interest form. And the DIR scheme covered by under the DIR scheme, loan are extended to weaker section, that is marginal farmer, agriculture labor, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes engaged in agriculture, cottage industries, rickshawala, puller, cobblers, carpenters, physically challenged person, orphans and indigent students having higher education. Then what is the eligibility criteria for DIR scheme? The size of the borrower's holding should not be exceed or less than 1 acre for wetland and less than 2.5 acre for the dry land. And also for SC and ST category, there is no land holding criteria is applicable. And other than agriculture persons, family income less than 24,000 per annum for urban people and less than 18,000 per annum for rural areas. There is no any criteria mentioned, or there is a relaxation for the persons belonging to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Then loan assistance limit for the under the IRA scheme is up to rupees 15,000 for productive or self-employment purpose and 20,000 for housing loan. For disabled persons, rupees 15,000 plus 5,000 for purchase of artificial limbs. And for poor students to tuition fee and purchase of books, the loan is available or loan is given. Then repayment of this loan period is 16 months, or we can say the 5 years, which includes the moratorium periods of 2 years or 24 months. The commercial banks are required to advance at least or 0.5 to 1% of their aggregate lending towards this scheme, and 40% of the total amount available under this scheme should be made available to SC and ST borrowers. Therefore, the DIR scheme is measures to attain social justice as it safeguards interest of the weaker section of the society. This is all about DIR scheme, differential rate of interest scheme. Thank you.